Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to do affiliate marketing as a beginner. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is basically a company paying you for referring persons to their product or services. One of the most popular affiliate marketing programs around is Amazon. And as you can see by this example, this person did a YouTube video on the best 4K projectors, and all they did was paste the Amazon affiliate link in the description, and if you were to tap on the link, you would be referred to this page. And once on this page, if you were to go through and purchase this projector or purchase anything on Amazon for the next 30 days, the person that created this YouTube channel will be able to get a commission. And most of the time, Amazon commission starts from 4%. So imagine doing a YouTube video and getting 4% of $1,668 of each person, or even 2% of the persons that watch your YouTube video. As you can see, this video has gotten 22,000 views thus far. So imagine that, 22,000 views, and imagine 2% of the persons that watched that video followed through and made a purchase. That's 440 persons. So you can see how you'll be able to make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing. And you can sign up to almost any company or any brand to become an affiliate. All you'll need to do is simply go into Google, and once in Google you'll type in affiliate program. And as I can put A right here, you can see numerous affiliate programs you could sign up to. So if you like clothing, you could sign up to Adidas. If you like tech, you could sign up to Apple, or you can sign up to AliExpress, Amazon, Airbnb. You name it, there's an affiliate program for it that you'll be able to make commission from. Some of the top paying affiliate programs are around tech and also around tourism. So for example, booking.com, you'll realize that they have an high commission payout. But anyways, now that you know what an affiliate program is and also how to find an affiliate program, and most of the time all you'll need to sign up is a website, or you could start a YouTube channel or some form of social media platform, for example your TikTok page or so on. And talking about TikTok, if you were to go onto TikTok right now and type in Amazon Finds, you would find these right here, these videos. And if you were to tap on any particular one, for example, if I were to go onto this person's page, you will see a link 3 in the description. And once you tap on it and tap on open anyway, you will realize that right here they have an Amazon storefront. This is a Amazon affiliate program that they are signed up to. So once you go onto their Amazon link, just the creator of this TikTok page will be getting a commission. And again, as I said, it's quite easy to do, and you may believe that persons would go straight to Amazon or the different platforms to do a purchase, but they actually don't. They actually prefer to go onto YouTube or go onto TikTok and then watch a person review before making a purchase. And you can see by this example, this person has over 182,000 subscribers, and all they do is make affiliate videos for Amazon. And you may be wondering how many views they are getting. Well, if I were to go onto Social Blade, you can see right here they have posted 418 videos thus far, and they are getting over 800,000 views per month. And you can see right here, all they are doing is posting simple videos. They are not showing their face and they are not using their voice most of the time. All they are doing is using pictures that you can get on Amazon. As you can see right there, pictures and videos that you can get on Amazon to create this video. For example, if I were to go onto Amazon right now, and let's say this exact projector right here, all you'll need to do to get your affiliate link once you sign up, you're going to go to the top right hand corner and you'll tap on get link and you'll tap on text. Then all you'll have to do is copy this link and paste it in your description, and that's it. Once someone taps on that link, you'll be able to get a commission. And you can see when I say they are getting the videos or pictures to create those videos easily from Amazon, you can see 5 videos right here. If I were to tap on them, you can see that one of the videos that were used in that video, for example, if I were to scroll down, you can see one of the videos that they used in that particular video, they actually got from Amazon, this video right here. And you can find video downloaders that you can use to download this video and upload it onto YouTube. And that's it. Again, all you'll need to do is sign up to an affiliate program depending on the niche that you want to go in, and then decide the platform that you would like to promote it on, whether that is YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, any one of the platforms, and then you can start promoting your products. And once persons go onto your platform and taps on your link and make a purchase, you'll be able to get a commission. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you would be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.